We are pleased to show you the 2019 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, adjustable pedals, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.